Welcome back. In this lecture, we will set the camera orientation. Just before we set the camera orientation, when I press play and when I press left, you can see our character is strafing left. But when I press right, our character is not strafing right. The reason is that just if you go to animation blend space, and here you can see the keyframe here is not animation right stuff, so just delete this and from here write the running strafe. Delete this and running straight. Now press save and now launch the game, and here you can see when I press right, our character is strafing right. Perfect. Now next thing, what we are going to do, we are going to set some camera orientations. So for this, go to TPS game mode and select the character TPS, and from here select the TPS character, and from here you just first of all select the spring arm and check the use pawn control rotation. If you uncheck this, our mouse save compile press, you can see our if we press the mouse key, our character is not moving up and down. So first of all, check this option. Next thing, select the character movement and look for the rotation setting, and from here select both these, use, and now press save, press play. Here you can see when we press forward, now when we press downward, here you can see again. Now go to character mesh and just from here from mesh and look for the option just for TPS and use controller pitch pawn, select the TPS character, press save and select, just not go to just go to TPS and uncheck these two and press save, press play. Perfect. Here you can see now when we and press down key, our character is moving. Here you can see. Perfect. Okay, here is the end of first module, and I hope you have learned, and if you have any query you can ask me. See you in second module.